We updated our digital analog, because the old one will occur slightly torsion angle deviation when the operator fix screws, or other force behavior in the actual operation process. 2 new vertical anti-rotational grooves have been added to the crescent design to enhance anti-rotational resistance. It is important to note that a specific library is needed to make anti-rotational groove effective. If you don't need the anti-rotation function, tilde library is enough. Once model is printed, 2 raised prongs are generated internally to work with the anti-rotational groove to achieve enhanced horizontal anti-rotational resistance. If digital analog and printed model assemblies are overfitted, it will scrape out resin debris during installation, which, if it accumulates at the platform, will result in a slightly higher position of the digital analog. Therefore, we added a horizontal chip removal groove and a lower guide angle. Now, when we mount it again, the chip removal groove can store resin chips. The lower guide angle, beveled, creates a hollow structure that avoids the accumulation of resin chips. From the installation of the digital analog, you can see that there is already a slight white buildup of resin in the upper part of the chip removal groove. After that, the guide angle guides the mounting in place, and blind mounting is possible with the digital analog carrier and latest library. As shown in the video, there is a clear sinking sensation in the operator's hand when the replacement is installed in place. The digital analog can be easily installed without aligning the triangle of the printed model, so that our digital analog is installed well.